Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron. And the question for today is there anything you shouldn't cook in a cast iron skillet? Now, we get all kinds of questions on our channel, and we certainly appreciate that. And I thought, well, this is going to be a very simple question to answer. And so the more I got to thinking about it, I thought, well, is there anything you shouldn't cook in a cast iron skillet? And it got me to thinking more and more and more. You know what? I can't really think of anything that you can't cook in a cast iron skillet. Can you?